morning, good morning, good morning. Alright, today is Thursday. Yesterday you would have seen that obviously we painted it. We'll be fitting the lip today, but on top of that, I hope we'll be fitting the bumper and the lip today. But on top of that, we've received some mail, so let's get cracking. And hopefully it's some of the stuff that we really need. What is this? Universal heads-up display. Oh, this is speedometer. This is a speedometer for the go-kart. So, yeah. How does this work? Oh, not too sure, but this is a digital display for the go-kart. Do we really need to know how fast we're going? No, not really. That's just nice to know. Alright, we've got a whole bunch of things. These are, I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're little O-ring connectors for like groundings and stuff like that. What we really need is the side skirt clips. Huh. This is a inside car mount for the window. Or a phone mount. Comes in handy because I don't have one. This is a new pedals for the e-bike because they keep breaking, obviously. What is this? Ooh, this one's a little bit harder. Male spade connectors. Cheaper to buy them. Through China than online. Cheaper to buy from China than J-Car. That's it. We have... What is that? I have no idea what this is. Oh, that's another magnetic mount for the camera. Like I said, the fact that I buy so much things and I don't remember what it is, it's crazy. Chin strap for the helmet, so hopefully it give you a better field of view. But whether I think it's just good to have versatility. We've already got the original helmet mount, like that one, but let's just see how we go on the chin mount. Oh, there's more stuff. Oh, another magnetic mount. Lots of stuff. Alrighty. We have more electrical connectors, so if we're doing any electrical work, then we've got the right connectors for it. So, and the last one is side skirt clips, and one of the bags is busted open. So, side skirt clips, which is exactly what we need for today's installation. That's it. Alright guys, I'm just about to leave and head out on my side quest today. I'll be helping out a friend, Vinny. You guys might know him as Skirt, or I think KMF. I think that's his business name, KMF. Well, he does crazy work when it comes to fabrications and whatnot. And the only reason I'm helping him is I'm basically lending him my lungs. So he's got an engine bay that he just wants some work done on, and basically just primed, and that's what I'll be doing. I'll just be going over to him and helping him out with priming. Interesting fact is, I've never met Vinny, ever. I haven't even seen a photo of Vinny, but I know of Vinny, and me and him have been Instagram friends for a while now. And like I said, we have conversations and whatnot, but like I said, never met the guy. Never even seen his car in real life, so it's gonna be interesting. like I said, we've got a whole bunch of interesting things in the mail today. So one of them was our camera window suction cup. So now, instead of just seeing my forehead, you guys get to see a little bit more. And I'll figure this out eventually in terms of what you guys can see. But you guys have to let me know, like, what point of view do you guys prefer? Like, do you guys want to look at me, look at the road, look at my awesome driving or something? But yeah, we're here working on this. Alright, like I said, this is what we're working on. Just basic primer work, so nothing too fancy. But seriously, his work is next level. Can't believe he's an all-rounder. Can do anything and everything. So leave you guys there whilst I paint, and then hopefully we don't get any overspray.
I know you're thirsty. Say Cause we don't buy no drinks at the bar. Pop champagne cause we got that dough to make you say
Now we got Lil Crazed, Traffic, J-Pride, J-Rise, and it's me, J-R-A. Go girl,
Look at the detail behind everything. I can see why he's booked out until mid next year, because I think he has a condition. It's either a condition or his level of OCD or his level of workmanship is through the bloody roof. Seriously. Like I said, it shows that he takes so much pride in working on other people's cars. It's crazy.
Go girl, go girl, it's your birthday, baby. Say I. We don't want no drinks at the bar. We got champagne 'cause we got that dough.
Champagne for a minor, I got my dosage. Move real smooth so my thoughts like lotion. I ain't too young enough to pop that rose. Knocked up boars, no I'm not Seth Rogen. Girl, I'm a raider, but I'm not like Oakland. My verse is kinda hot, I'm on some pot like stove shit. Blame it all on the alcohol, let's go. And if you feelin' what I'm drinking, crack your jaw wide open. Picture trick, I ain't on a boat, bitch. Throw me on some Santana shit, cause it's so crisp. And the drinks got me speaking, I clear, but I'm sounding like a scratch, like error. So baby, put your hands in the air.
I'm going to be mixing up the high fill. Always have to scoop the bottom. Like, look at it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just so gnarly. Like this. And it will act, should save most of the drips. Normally I would wear a mask, but because we're outside, and basically just because we're outside, I'm just gonna not do it. Sorry, Lynn. You know what's hard? What's hard is holding a pot with like a full paint. I forgot how much it hurts on your forearm. Or maybe I'm just being a little, you know, interesting. We have a blockage in the gun. The top cap I just noticed it's wasn't flowing that nicely, so let me fix that. That's better.
K.I.D. Say out loud. Ride with me, baby. Check. One shot, two shots, all you know the rest now. My confession, my intention, help you drop your dress down. Fiddle a little to make it whistle like a ref sound. And the way you get it up, I'm sure I can't be let down. Wow, working like assistants. We can get it, I can hit it, we don't need.
Not gonna lie, got some runs there. Look at that. When this car actually gets painted and whatnot, it's going to look so crazy. And it just says a lot, right? Because the last famous car that Mr. KMF worked on was Adrian Portello's S15. So this is going to be something else for sure. It doesn't have the, I don't think it does have, are those tucked, those custom wheel wells? I don't know. I don't know this S15 guys, S chassis in general. So this is going to be a showstopper. Like I said, OEM plus, nothing too crazy. Just your basic shave, your holes, and should come out really nice.